My name is Greg, and I'm an advocate for dryer vent cleaning. The Consumer Product Safety Commission has issued a special report detailing the fire hazards related to lint in clothes dryers and dryer vents. Approximately 15,000 fires per year are attributed to excessive lint in dryers and dryer vents. Additionally, dozens of deaths and millions of dollars of property damage occur as a result of these fires. Fires can occur when lint builds up in the dryer or in the exhaust duct. Lint can block the flow of air, cause excessive buildup, can result in fire in dryers and where they are located. Watch this segment provided by Dan's Air Duct Cleaning to see the reasons this happens.
At this very moment, a hidden danger snakes through your walls. Every year across the U.S., this danger causes over 15,000 fires in homes just like yours. What is this hidden threat to the safety of your home? Surprisingly, it's the ordinary operation of your dryer's exhaust system. You see, the duct in your walls naturally accumulate lint at a rate that will eventually restrict airflow so much that your dryer can no longer vent properly. Left unchecked, the possibility of lint blowback into the dryer's heating element could ignite a fire. There are several factors that contribute to and can accelerate this common fire hazard. Your duct run may be restrictive due to its length or its unusual path. In some parts of the country, birds and small animals build nests that block the exhaust. The hose behind your dryer may be crushed or kinked excessively. The termination hood at the exterior may exhibit screen-like features allowing lint to build up. When it comes to the safety of your home and family, you already have enough to worry about.
Here are 5 reasons to clean dryer vents. 1. Protects your home and its contents from fires, smoke, and pollutants. 2. Significantly reduces energy operating costs. 3. Dryers run more efficiently. 4. Dryers will last longer. 5. Clothes will dry faster. Click the link below to learn more about dryer vent cleaning.